Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we'll be showing you how to replace the temperature sensor NTC on this Beko dryer. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. A faulty sensor may result in your dryer not heating, but make sure you have checked the heater and its thermostat before suspecting an NTC has failed and needs replacing. Open the condenser door and remove this grill by taking out the two screws holding it on. Disconnect the NTC and pull it from the duct. Using a multimeter, you can check the NTC by measuring across the contacts. This will vary depending on the room temperature. Fit the new NTC into position and connect the plug. Refit the vent grill and its screws. Run a test cycle after the repair if required. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.